My name is Mike Elkin. I am making a short video on a Jeep Cherokee Latitude. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.2 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed transmission. The vehicle comes with a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. It also has a 2-year free maintenance on the automobile, good at any local Jeep dealership. The vehicle also has a 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You can reach us at 904-494-2310 here at Atlantic Dodge in St. Augustine, Florida. This vehicle is equipped with the 8.4A audio system. It has the black and gray Iceland interior, which is cloth. It does have the flat fold front seats, and the back seats also pull forward. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 904-494-2310. We do have many Cherokees in stock here at Atlantic Dodge in St. Augustine, Florida. Thanks for watching.